bikes and the Nams. Oh my god. Oh no, oh no. Oh my god. Don't lose control. Holy shit. Are flying. That scared me. Wow.
What happened?
I gotta go back on the trail. Something must have shot out. Look how open it is. I was going through the trail, took the first turn, and I was like, this does not sound right. It was like barking. Yeah, like crazy loud.
Sounds the same on idle.
Idle, yeah.
Yeah. What the hell? My theory, the only thing I think could have happened was the spark arrestor when we unscrewed it fell into the exhaust and then it just finally shot back out, but I don't know. Let's hear it up the driveway. Holy shit. Yeah, that's definitely louder. Just finished washing the RS. Looking good as always. It's a bad side though. Let's get a good shot. No way. Come on.
We're still missing a piece, but yeah.
What? Oh my gosh. That's insane.
Like halfway up the trail.
Guys, we filmed a full video trying to pull this thing out and we couldn't pull it out, so we couldn't post the video. And we didn't think there even was one. Oh my gosh.
No wonder it's barking so much.
Beauty.
But we're still missing a piece.
What do you mean?
That red, like there's still a ring that's missing.
Yeah, but we don't need that. Yo, it should shoot flames now, I think. Holy shit. He's way down the trail. That's really loud. What the? That's not good.
Honestly, guys, I think this falling out just made the pit bike 10 times more fun. Let us know down below if you guys think that we should keep it out or put it back in. For now, that's going to be all for this one, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more. We'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.